Hello ladies and gentlemen, welcome to everyone happy and beautiful days. Minced meat in savory pastry. This video will be prepared for 4 large tray pie for 100 people. 80 fine soft dough breads. 8 kilograms of veal. 8 large onions. Spices: flake pepper, salt, black pepper, dry mint. 30 eggs. 1 liter liquid sunflower oil. 3 kilograms yogurt. 2 liters of milk. 3 bottles of mineral water. Sesame and love in a mist. Start by peeling onions. Divide the peeled onion into 2 pieces first and chop finely. Prepare beef with mincemeat. Add the beef to the large pot and cook on the high cooker. Add the chopped onions. The ground meat continues to cook. Prepare the sauce you will use to soak the yufka bread. Add 30 eggs into the mixing bowl. Add some liquid sunflower oil. You can increase the sunflower oil to the meat oil ratio. Add 3 bottles of mineral water and mix slightly with the beater. Add 2 liters of milk. Add 3 kilograms of yogurt. Add up to 80 grams of salt. The ground meat continues to cook. Cook the ingredients as they will be. Spices and stir. The meat will continue to cook until the water in the center is exhausted. Help your videos reach more people by showing appreciation. You can make more people see you by appreciating. Thanks to everyone for support. Stay in a place with air for cooling after mincing. Let's take a look at the exterior. It is possible to find fruits, vegetables, dairy products, and breakfast varieties in the street market, which is established on the first day of the week. Lubricate oven trays. First add the breadcrumbs to the sides of the tray. A total of 4 trays will be made in this way. Soak this layer with the addition of the prepared starch. You will use it on the second layer. Add layers of yufka cake. Add ground beef. Add sauce. Add the same amount of beer. Yufka and ground beef are prepared as 2 layers, in total 4 times as much as each cotta sauce is added. You can use chopped parsley if you wish. Close the edges after the final coat is ready. Add sauce to the top. Final with brioche knife before cooking. Your job will be easier and the pie will swell better after you cut and cook. 1 tray pie divided into 48 slices. Love in a mist, and sesame seeds on top. Pies were ready and it's time to bake. Cook for 40 minutes at 160. This brioche will not wait too long, so take it out of the oven and serve it hot. We came to the end of a detailed video recipe for you. Thanks to everyone who watched the videos from start to finish and supported me. Goodbye, to see you in another recipe.